Let us begin. TADA-DADA.
Hello everyone, welcome to the TADA-DADA Art Club, the only place where we make drawing and painting easy for anyone who wants to learn. So let us begin with TADA-DADA.
Hello guys, next what we're gonna make is the bee. That is a colorful nice bee, and for that I'm gonna use this middle finger. This way I'm gonna put and get the stamp. Oh, that's nice, the shape what we got. And for the smaller wing I'm gonna use a blue color on my little finger. So wing is somewhere here, one, and this is another one. Same way I'll just rotate this and make one wing here, and there's another on overlapping on that. So I made this 4 wings here with the bee, and let's give a nice shape to this. Before that, let's get little dry. So bee has a stripe on his body. And it's a small tail, and here I'm gonna make these 2 nice eyes. That's the beautiful bee, a flying bee. And to give a flying effect, you can add some few lines near the wings. Which show the flutter of this thing, and same time you can just add few lines in the background. Ooh, so fast it's fluttering and moving forward. Wow!
To learn more such enjoyable drawing, do not forget to subscribe our channel TADA-DADA Art Club, and you can like and share our videos. Bye friends, we'll see you soon with more such fun drawings. Keep practicing. Enjoy!